Benvenuti to Roma, to see the Colosseum, to see these ancient Roman ruins, and to reconnect with our history that goes back here so many thousands of years. So we're going to walk inside the great synagogue in Rome, and there's only one thing you can say, just say, wow. You'll join us here first in Rome. From here we go to Florence.
I just want to wish you, everybody, Beruchim Habayim to our synagogue. I look forward to see you next year here in our synagogue.
And then to Venice. What can I say? This is my first day in Venice, and I am in love with the city. And there's so much Jewish history here. It's kind of a mixture of German Jews lived here, Sephardic Jews lived here, Jews from North Africa lived here, and then the Italian Jews, which have their entirely different history than the rest of European Jewry. To sing, to rejoice, to eat, of course, and most of all, to experience a Jewish life today in Italy, which is flourishing. Shalom, lehitraot.